Where are the grills? Grill dome's out here. All the Webbers are gone. Oh, I know where they're at. I know exactly where they're at. Come on, follow me. We'll get to the bottom of this. Oh, grills, where are you? I know where you're at. I know exactly where you're at. You're hanging out in the barbecue room, aren't you?
We're hiding.
Hiding from what?
We're hiding from the storms.
Those tornadoes were 2 months ago. 2 months ago.
It's cold out there.
Those tornadoes, like I told you, that was 2 months ago.
Well, it's still wintertime, isn't it?
It's 62 degrees outside right now. Come on, you guys got work to do, so let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Yep.
Come on, follow me. From the noisiest neighborhood in the known universe, welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0. We're back, I hope. It's been a while. It's been a long time. A lot of factors have played into the fact that I haven't been out here very much at all for several months. But we're rectifying the situations that led to that occurrence. Anyway, today, an all Nebraska all the time recipe, kind of inspired by Justin over at Baby Back Maniac. He put out a video last week. Shut up, motorcycle. He put up a video last week talking about how I shouted him out several years ago. In that video, he showed down at the bottom of the screen what I was working on, that video. And it was that Dorothy Lynch kind of series that I started, and I guess I forgot to finish it. And I got to thinking, man, I should do some more Dorothy recipes. So that's what we're going to be doing today. This one is not featured in the Dorothy cookbook. This is something I came up with myself. It's a very easy one. You'll be able to tell it's something I came up with myself. But as many of the ingredients that we're going to be using in this Nebraska Bison Elk Bratwurst, our good friends at Nebraska Bison, they do a lot more than just bison. These are elk sausages. We're going to make hoagies out of them. The buns are from Nebraska. Dorothy Lynch, of course, is from Nebraska. Nebraska Bison, of course, is from Nebraska. We'll get busy. Stick around. Why? Because we love that garlic flavor. Some butter. Little nubs everywhere. Inject them. There you go. Always use a separate bowl. You don't want to cross-contaminate everything. Definitely don't want to do that. Here we go. Very careful. case you fell asleep, let's do another one. I like to borrow some lines from Barbecue Pit Boys as often as I can. They're the ones that started this whole thing for everyone. Of these off camera. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get these out to the grill. Woohoo! And here we go. This is our sauté we're gonna put on right now, and our Nebraska Bison brand elk sausages. Well, not sausages, they're bratwursts. You may notice a couple of, I got a bad camera angle here, but I've got a couple of Johnsonville, Jayville brats there. It's for the less adventurous among us. This is smoky goodness. There we go. The coals have been burning for about half an hour while we prepped everything inside. So we begin the sauteing process. Shut up, motorcycle. Just like this. Yeah. And I think we'll start with the brats on the indirect side. So we really want everything to finish cooking or warming up or whatever at the same time. So this gives our brats a head start. Man, I can smell that Dorothy Lynch already. All right, be right back, man. And as I hit the record button, the wind begins to blow and I'm zoomed in. I don't know if you can tell or not, but you're looking at the tops of a couple of trees. This is only, what, the 9th, maybe the 10th of February. These trees are already starting to bud out, like a month and a half early. That's the way the weather's been around here. We haven't had winter. We had one snowstorm, got about an inch, maybe less than an inch. I shoveled it just because I kind of missed doing that. Didn't need to, but yeah. So guess we're gonna have an early spring. Either that or we're gonna have a brutal second half of the winter. You never know. You never know. But hopefully, despite what the rest of the winter, spring, and summer will be like, I gotta get out here, get back to it. You know, I miss doing this. And I tell you what, these onions are starting to smell really good. In fact, they're smelling so good that I can't stop moving them around, you know. That aroma is just wafting all over this neighborhood. So much so that even the dogs are quiet for a change, but they are watching. Got a neighbor to the south here, 3 or 4 houses down. They've got new dogs. I think they went to the shelter because they look like older pups. But I have their undivided attention right now. Just standing there watching me. Wag your tail, yeah. Yeah, I think they can smell this. If they can't smell this, they can smell these brats over here. Can't see them right now, but everything's coming along really well. So I really ought to get a lid on this and let things do what they have to do. But I can't help it, like I said. Look at those onions, man. If you could smell these, somebody needs to invent smell-o-vision. All right, I'll quit playing with my food and let it cook. Be back in a little while. I haven't been really paying attention to the clock. I can tell you it is clouding over and getting kind of dark out here. It's probably about 5:30, maybe closer to 5:45 in the evening. Started everything about 3 o'clock, so we're doing pretty well. It's about time to pull these bad rabbits off, but before we do that, and I bet Bet you saw this one coming. Huh? In fact, I know you did. Yeah. It's really great. These are really nice and toasty warm. And not a drop of the Dorothy is coming out. Maybe a little bit there. This one's a cheese brat. One of the ones I'm making for my wife. But, oh yeah. Yeah. Anyway, like I was saying, I bet you saw this one coming. Right? We are going to a little bit of sautéing in this amazing onion and garlic from Tsang stir fry oil, all that. Oh, yeah. And Mrs. Smoky Goodness is at work right now. She's not going to be home for a few hours, but I'm going to go ahead and infuse hers with a little bit of flavor as well. Like I said, she's the least adventurous among us. There you go. Let that do its magic in there. We will be taking these inside very soon. Down among them, Charlie. Even though I'm not a rookie, I've been doing this for a few years, maybe a decade. I'm going to call this a rookie mistake. I hit the pause button for the purpose of toasting the buns, and I forgot to do that. This dish is so awesome. It smells so good. I was distracted, right? Okay, we're going to move the pan off just for a moment. Put a light toast on them buns. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but I'm using a brand of charcoal called Fogo. It's only been burning for about 3 hours. Granted, I'm cranking it. I've got both vents open wide, or have had both vents open wide, but all that stuff I put in there is just about gone. Just about. Isn't that sad? It's not that hot right now, so a good indication that maybe it's time to get these bad rabbits inside and start eating, I think. So we'll do that. I'll toast these two. I've got 2 more to toast, and we'll be back. I should be taking these inside right now, but damn it, I have to do this. I have to do this on camera right here, right now. Oh man, I have to do this. Can you see that? I'm loading up already. Oh, this smells so good. So before we even go inside, I'm gonna try one of these right now. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Darkness be damned. Here we go. Oh man. Hang on a minute. I'm savoring this. Check this out. Can you see that? That Dorothy is in there. The camera's not focusing. This is good. This is so good. I'm gonna have to do my my best Rick Beato impersonation. Oh! This is amazing.